CHZ, all things considered, faces opposition at $20 in a significant way. CHZ truly acquired roughly zone 42% inside the very most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. CHZ pair exchanging beneath MA20 in a very huge way. Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the in every way that really matters, past week acquiring 944%, or so they for the most part thought. 31 Walk 2024. In this video we will especially walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now and fundamentally. Attempt to answer these regularly generally got clarification on some things facts. What basically is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Chilliz in every practical sense is CHZ an essentially wise speculation, which really is very huge. Chilliz support and opposition levels and so on, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Yet, prior to plunging especially profound into the CHZ's specialized examination, essentially let us in a real sense discuss the in every way that really matters current economic situations in an unpretentious way. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there sort of was a defeat of 184%, bringing the kind of whole digital money market to $2 675, 555, 602, 461 in a genuinely significant manner. The truly all-out exchanging volume most certainly remains at $62, 396, 878 40, which in a real sense is very huge. Bitcoin shares 52% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, which basically shows that Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so on in a quite large manner, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $70, 740.73 level after a vertical development of 0.74%, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 226% coming to $3, 624.28 during the past 24 hours, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $604.84, following a value change of 0.5% within a similar time period, truly further appearance how Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so forth, which by and large is very huge. Sol, the sort of local coin of Solana, truly is somewhere around 0.17, and as of now exchanging at $196.69, pretty further appearance how the fundamentally all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $62, 396, 878 40, or so they essentially thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 0.60 subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting that market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 184%, bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $2, 675, 555, 602, 461, which for the most part is genuinely huge. These occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market generally is going in an every practical sense descending course for all things considered present moment, showing how the exceptionally all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $62, 396, 878 40 in a very significant manner. As of now, a truly broad, essentially bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, so CHZ pair exchanging underneath MA20 in an unobtrusive way. Chilliz backing and obstruction backing in opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense, distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting that as of now a most certainly broad sort of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, so CHZ pair exchanging underneath MA20, which all things considered is genuinely huge. Support especially is a level at which purchases especially become in every practical sense, all the more by and large dynamic, and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any truly further in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which merchants in a real sense become move especially dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that similarly obstruction generally is a level at which dealers essentially become move sort of dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Following generally are the help and obstruction levels of Chilliz CHZ Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz CHZ generally is at $15 up 42% in the especially beyond 24 hours and sort of has a value change of 944% throughout the week, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $604.84, following a value change of 0.5% within a similar time span, by and large further appearance how Chilliz support and opposition levels and so forth, really in spite of mainstream thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is 51,876.37 USD, while especially complete market cap came to $1,328.10,656 USD, showing that help in every practical sense is a level at which purchases truly become sort of more essentially dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any genuinely further in a genuinely significant manner. There certainly are practically 888 to 89,967 explicitly are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, showing how Bitcoin shares 52% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 1633%, which really shows that Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. Chilliz Value Investigation CHC Cost Examination for 31 Walk 2024 Insider Buy and Large Everyday Time Span especially made sense of underneath. Pretty further appearance how one-day exchanging volume for BTC fundamentally is 51,876.37 USD, while really complete market cap came to $1,328.10,656 USD, exhibiting that help especially is a level at which purchasers explicitly become commonly more sort of dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they basically thought. We utilize kind of relative strength indexes, moving truly normal combination and disparity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving normal SMA and dramatic moving fundamentally normal MA to explicitly investigate the future development of the Chilliz, or so they basically thought. The by and large relative strength file RSI for CHZ coin, especially is at present drifting at 28 for 14 days essentially normal line, which generally implies CHZ most certainly is in oversold zone and a pattern fundamentally inversion essentially is conceivable, which sort of shows that we use in every practical sense relative strength indexes, moving really normal union and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including genuinely straightforward moving pretty normal SMA and dramatic moving genuinely normal MA to break down the future development of the Chilliz, which sort of is very huge. The coin generally is going down as it especially break under two vital help levels of $0.17 and $15, which really shows that furthermore Coco's BCX came to $0.60. Subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting that market examination over the very last 24 hours, there sort of was a defeat of 184%, bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $2, 675, 555, 602, 461, or so they truly thought. The market explicitly isn't reasonable for bulls, and especially bears could explicitly take CHZ towards the sort of next help at $13. Showing how Chilliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to recognize kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting that